Lately, there are a lot of things which are changing. I don't know whether you guys have noticed it or not, but there are a lot of endings in relationships and long-term connections. And why is it happening? I've been talking about it from a very long time now, that the earth is shifting from the 3D to 5D, which means everything is going to change. Before it moves to the 5D consciousness, it has to let go of a lot of low, limiting, vibrational stuff. Okay, so this crap needs to be deleted. Not all are going to face it, but people who are actually navigating to the 5D level will face these changes. So you will feel that no longer trying to hide things or being defensive, being aggressive, lying, controlling, ego issues. There is no place for these things anymore. The moment you do something like this from a low emotional level, you are faced with a karmic consequence, which makes you feel that you did something wrong and you have to go through the same situation yourself. Not just that, a lot of relationships are teaching you what you lack and what needs to be worked upon. So remember, a wound or a trauma is only a place which has a crack, and this crack needs the light, the love of the divine to enter, to heal it or make it into the wholeness and come back into the unity consciousness, which is one with the divine, one with everything that is. If you do not want some drastic changes, and in tarot we call it the tower moment in your life, the endings, you don't want that, start practicing detachment. Detachment is the only tool which can help you sustain your relationships. The world is your mirror. The world, the people, the places, the events, the situations is nothing but your mirror, your karmic mirror, what needs to be healed. Karma is not something that you should be scared of. If you want to be out of this karmic cycle, be in the now, connect with your soul, be in this very moment, being in present. Love and light.